Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Bottega Veneta inspired handbag. This is a handbag that I wanted to purchase for the longest, and I did get my hands on, and it's from Amazon. That's the best part. Under $100 for this handbag, and I have it like this because I wanted it to be a true unboxing so that you guys can enjoy it and my reaction, see everything. You can kind of see from the side but not the whole bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in this bag. It will be down below, and let's just open it up and see how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And here we have my eyebrow shaver. That's how I'm gonna open it. It's a really nice handbag, you guys. I have it in more like a brown, you can say, nude brown. It's really nice. I'll show it to you as well. So here we have it, and the chain is silver, which I think it's much better than gold. It's more casual, and it looks really nice, you guys. The handbag itself is leather, so it is real leather. I'm loving it. Look at this bag, you guys. Wow, this is nice. As you can see, the chain is really nice. It's heavy duty. It's quality. It really is. Same with the handbag. And then you just open it like this. And this is the inside. It's stuffed with a bunch of paper. So here you have it. That's how the inside looks. Look at the leather. Super soft. Let me do a close-up so that you guys can see the quality of it. Really nice. And this is the handle. You can wear it like this. I don't know if I can wear it crossbody. Well, yeah, it'll be a little high, but I can definitely do that. And then hang it over. I prefer the black one. It's gonna be perfect for winter and also for fall. It's a really nice one too. I did an unboxing for you guys, but so here we have them side by side. They're both really pretty. I personally prefer this one. Let me know in the comments down below which one do you like most. But that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, quick little unboxing of my Bottega Veneta inspired handbag. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys. If you are interested in this bag, I'll have a link down below in the description box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.